Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Long time no see, you guys, and for today's video, I'll be swatching Bench Beauty's Soap Nails collection. This collection has 12 clean girl glow looking shades, and they are cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan formula. Let's swatch Peach. Next is Vanilla Bean. Then let's swatch Espresso. Next is Earl Grey. Here are the 4 shades with 1 coat. Then here's the 4 shades with 2 coats. And here they are side by side. Then let's swatch Green Tea. Next is Marshmallow. Then let's swatch Honey Lavender. Next is Cotton Candy. Here are the 4 shades with 1 coat. Then here's the 4 shades with 2 coats. And here they are side by side. Then let's swatch oatmeal. Next is cookies and cream. Then let's swatch black sesame. Next is caramel. Here are the 4 shades with 1 coat. Then here's the 4 shades with 2 coats. And here they are side by side. This collection has a wide variety of sheers, jellies, shimmers, and glitters. And I must say that this collection is so good because we have so many finishes in just one collection. By the way, these nail polishes are fast drying, and they do have a gel shine finish. And these shades are self-leveling. And I'm really loving the shades. I bet you're loving this collection too. And that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media accounts. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!